Document databases store information as flexible, structured documents, like JSON, rather than fixed rows and columns. It's ideal for evolving schemas, scalability, and intuitive data modeling. We'll explore that in this video. Here's another class of NoSQL technologies that have become very popular with the rise of unstructured or semi-structured data. Much of this information, which is the lifeblood of all sorts of applications, is encoded as either XML or more likely JSON. One common attribute of this type of information is that there is often not rigidly structured schema. Instead, the schema is subject to change, such as when developers are asked to create new application capabilities, which makes it a perfect fit for documents encoded this way. It would be very hard to define a schema in a relational database that was flexible enough to deal with the variety of information that document databases will store. Here's an example of some document data. To begin, we have two booking records, stored as JSON documents, for two different reservations. Notice that the structure of these records is different. The bottom document has two additional fields, VIP and special underscore instructions. This is the beauty of a document database, great flexibility when encoding information. Imagine the complexity of a relational database that had to accommodate an unknown number of fields that were continually subject to change. Now we've added two more documents related to government-issued authorizations to travel. Once again, their structure varies between instances. But now comes the hard part for standard document databases, establishing and maintaining the relationship between the booking and government documentation. This usually, but not always, falls on the developer's shoulders, and it's easy to imagine how things could get out of sync and thereby damage the database's integrity. As we'll discuss in detail later, the FlexVertex data multiverse makes it incredibly easy to establish and automatically maintain these relationships. In our next video, we'll introduce you to the ultimate, most flexible NoSQL solution, graph databases.